Good afternoon, folks. Almost evening. Last 140 day. 2012 Audi A7 Prestige. Super low miles. 75,000 original miles on a 2012. Fully loaded with every option. LED headlights, xenon headlights. Those circular holes at the bottom are not fog lights. That's your radar cruise control. 3-liter supercharged engine. Clean. Good ownership. Very, very low miles. So folks, this is like black pearl metallic with gorgeous chocolate brown interior. Premium BOSE sound system. Rear climate control, we're getting that knob right there. Armrest folds down, it's got storage in it also. No rips, no tears. The navigation screen can go in completely out of the way if you didn't want to see it. Real wood grain. Alright, let me show it to you guys from the passenger side also. Memory seats, surround sound system, power telescoping steering wheel, in and out, up and down, lumbar support. On the steering wheel you can control your computer, and you can do your cruise control and everything. I'm sorry, cruise control should be, yeah, right there. That's the distance you set. It's easy to use. And yes, look at that mileage. 75,000 original miles. There she is, direct fuel injection. That noise you are hearing is your direct fuel injection high pressure pumps. Runs, drives absolutely beautiful. We do service them, so if you purchased a vehicle from us and you need service done, you just need to give us a call. We will save you a lot of money on parts and labor. You get a discount because you're a Trimax customer. Folks, incredible service records on Carfax also. I mean, this car was very, very well maintained. More photos will be available on our website at trimaxauto.com. Justin will be happy to help you guys out. Sales, service, finance, trimaxauto.com. 757-222-0522. This is our last upload for today. It's like 4 or 5 we uploaded today, I think. But anyway, nice units. Folks, we are a Land Rover Jaguar service facility. We have plenty of them if anybody is looking for them. And yes, we can service it for you also throughout your ownership. One last time. That is cool. The A7s don't have that trim around the glass. But yeah, she's just clean. The car is 12 years old and it only has 75,000 miles. What, it was driven less than 4,000 miles a year, I guess. 5,000 miles a year. Barely driven. And this is gorgeous, man. Look at that brown. Gorgeous wood. Yeah, that's it. Folks, we wouldn't be able to do this without you. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to all our out-of-state customers. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Enjoy it. Bye.